Hello everybody, it is almost the weekend, which means this is First Impression Fridays here on Diamonds and Denim. Peep that neighborhood shirt. I love that band so much. So this week I have kind of an additional to one I did a while back, the Benefit Bigger Bolder Brow Kit, or the Bigger Bolder Brow Set. This one is the Benefit Brow Tryout. So it's a little bit smaller, it's a smaller set, it's just got 3 pieces. It includes the Precisely My Brow Pencil, Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and the 24-hour brow setter, which we already had, so I'm not going to go over that one. I'm gonna use it since it came with a set, but we're not going to really talk about it that much. So if you want to see how I got my brows to look like this, came out pretty good, huh? And if you want to know what I think about this product, you can keep on watching. Thank you. Okay, so my face and my eyes are primed already, and this is the actual kit. Is the Benefit Brow Tryouts in shade number 5. Y'all might remember like the second or third First Impression Fridays I ever did was on the Bigger Bolder Brow Set from the same brand of Benefit, and I loved it so much that when I saw this one on sale, I just had to grab it, because this one, even though it came with highbrow, Ka-Brow, and the 24-hour brow setter, it didn't actually come with any like brow pencils that I could use. I'm looking at the wrong side. Sorry. It didn't come with any actual brow pencils that I could use. So I'd been wanting to try them. So I found this one at the ULTA 50% off clearance sale. And it retails for, I got smart this time, I wrote it down because I always forget the prices that I paid for it. So the Benefit Brow Tryouts in shade number 5. I got it on sale. It was half off of clearance at ULTA. If you didn't get to read the 2 haul blogs there, I'll link them down below. But I got a lot of good stuff at that sale, y'all. Y'all have to stay abreast of the situation. Get on their email list. Become one of their customer loyalty people so that they can send you emails and let you know what's going on and when. So this retails for $24 for the kit. It's got 3 places in there: Precisely My Brow Pencil, Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and a 24-hour brow setter. So it comes with these 3 products, and it is $24 regular. It was on sale at ULTA for half off. It was $12 for all 3 of the tools, so I'm excited. The 24-hour brow setter, I actually already have. It came in the tin, in the Bigger Bolder Brows tin, so I'm not going to review that one because, again, we already did it. There's really no point in doing it a second time. Okay, let's open it up. Well, let's talk. Y'all already know what we're going to do. We're going to talk about packaging. We're going to talk about, I don't think I need to swatch brows, so we're probably going to swatch and do the demo at the same time because it's brows. It's not really that much to get into. So, Benefit Brow Tryouts. Let's see what's going on here. And we already know the shade. I had 5. I had set number 5 for the Bigger Bolder Brows Kit. So let's look at the packaging. The packaging is the Benefit packaging. They always have the little cartoon lady. They like the 60s like pinup cartoonish look. It's got the pink background, again like most of Benefit, pink and silver and black. Oh, you can't see the silver. Pink, silver, and black. And it's really girly, really fun. Nothing mind-blowing. It's not my favorite packaging. It's kind of just a box, but it matches the products, and it stays true to the Benefit vibe. They almost set up like a carnival feel with this. So yeah, that's the box. But also something else I want to talk about the Benefit brand. A lot of times they have designs inside the boxes. I like having that little extra touch sometimes. It's not focusing. Yeah, see how it's got the little sparkles inside of it? So when you open it, it's like that all the way down the box. And I kind of like that. I don't like having just a black or a white box on the inside. So, taking it out, this is what the tools are in. Seal of concealness, love awaits you, so put on your lipstick. Cute. So they just got all these little messages on here. And then here are the tools. We have the Goof Proof Brow Pencil here. We have the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and we have the 24-hour brow setter. Now again, we're not going to mess with this one because we have that in the other case. I'll use it since it's part of the set, but I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the old one. It's the same thing. It's just okay, so if you look at these, first of all, I like the packaging on the actual tools. I like the packaging a lot more than the box because it's got the it's got like the bevel on it, and they all go together. Even the stuff in the other brow kit all goes together with this. So I like that if you have one set of just Benefit brow stuff, they all look the same. So I like that. Like this, it's got the little design on the side. It got the bevel on the tops. It's cute, really cute. So let's get to trying it now. Okay, let's talk about the reason for this purchase too, though, because eating chips are hard. Because brows, it's hard for me to find good brow products. I don't know why. I can find 1,000 lip glosses. I can find 1,000 lipsticks. I can find all kinds of foundations and powders, and especially eyeshadow palettes. I'm very good at finding very good eyeshadow palettes. But as far as brows go, I don't know. My luck is just not as good with brows. I don't know why. I just can never ever find really good brow things. So anyway, so that's the reason for this purchase. I'm always on a never-ending quest to find good brow products, because like my first brow product I ever used was the NYX brow cream, and it was good. It just made it really, really dark. It almost looked like they were drawn on, and that wasn't pretty. It was like too much brows. And then after that, no, the IT Cosmetics brow pencil, and I love that pencil. That was my favorite one. I used to get in Universal Taupe, but when I ran out of it, I wanted to see what else was out there. So I bought a MAC Spike Big Brow Pencil. It is way too big for the brows. I don't know whose idea that was, but they're very hard to use, and I don't like it like at all. It's not good at all. Just fanning my brows out using the spoolie from Shani. And which one am I supposed to use first? I don't know. So easy, super easy brow filling and shaping pencil. This one is a brow defining pencil. So I'm assuming you use this one first. Oh, I just noticed too, they have the little tiny number 5s at the bottom. It's so cute. So if you, for some reason, don't know what shade you are, that's where you would get that information. So Precisely My Brow Pencil, I think, is the first one you use, the Ultra Fine Brow Defining Pencil. So I think you use this one first. Make your shape, and then you, ooh, nice. And then you fill it in with the, with Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Okay, so I'm zooming y'all in so that y'all can see what I'm doing here. So I'll work on this brow with y'all, and then the other one I'll do by itself. So by myself, I mean. Okay, need to be done. So this is the little pencil. See, it's a really skinny little piece that comes out, so that's really good for definition. That's the issue I actually had with the MAC pencil. It was so big that I couldn't really get the fine lines I was trying to get from it. So using my handy dandy mirror, just gonna start really light to make sure that it's the right color and everything. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I like this pencil already. It goes on really smooth. Oh. I don't have to drag it, which I really like. I mean, it goes on really, really good, y'all. I like this pencil already. Now, I would probably just fill my brows in with this pencil on a regular basis, but since I'm reviewing the whole kit, I'm going to use the other one to fill it in. But, I mean, that's good. It really gives you a way to create your own shape. Like, you don't have to, like, you know, try to fill it in and make it work. It's so easy to slide on. It's not hard at all. I really like it. Okay, so done with Precisely My Brow Pencil, which I like the name because precise is exactly what it is. It's really good. I like this little thing. It's pretty doggone good. Now onto the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Let's see what this, oh, okay. So this is the tip of this one. It's a little slanted tip. And it's just a thicker version of the other one, looks like. And it looks like it's maybe a little more like jelly, or the other one is more like a pencil. No, they feel about the same texture. I mean, I got shade number 5 too, just so y'all know in case you need a darker shade. 5 is the shade I always get. And I'm just filling in that outline I just made with this Goof Proof brow pencil. Yeah, it's nice, y'all. I like both of them a lot. The only complaint that I have about this little kit is that it does not include a spoolie because, again, when I'm doing brows, you're always going to need a spoolie. Now, I don't know if they just assume that whoever's using it will have a spoolie already, which is a good assumption to make. Most people do, but I don't think when you're a makeup company, especially one as big as Benefit, I don't think you need to make those assumptions. You can just give them a freaking spoolie. Like, it's not that hard. I don't think spoolies are that expensive. So this brow came out really, really good. This brow's okay, but I really like this. This brow came out really nice. Okay, let me set them with the 24-hour brow setter. So 24-hour brow setter. Now this was the one when I reviewed the Bigger Bolder Brows kit that I didn't like because the stick is so wide. And I still don't like it now because it's so wide, but like I said, because they included it in the set, I wanted to use it when I reviewed the set. So that's it for these tools. I'm going to go finish my look up, including cleaning this up, because obviously that's not the look we're going for, right? So I'm going to go and get the rest of my look together, and then I'll come back and we'll decide if we are giving this a diamond or not. Okay, so this is the completed look. Now that all my makeup is done, hair's kind of sort of done. I just messed it up, but you know, I'll say it's the tousled look. So this is the Benefit Brow Tryout. So are we giving it a diamond or not? I really like these products. I think it gives a lot of control over the brows. It's not a super thick, heavy, big brow. I did them big, thick, and heavy just because I felt like it. But it's a good, it gives so much control. The stencils are so fine. Not the stencils, I'm sorry. The Precisely My Brow Pencil, the tip is so fine that you really can control where you put, like, look at this brow. That brow looks really, really good. I like that they're two separate things, that there's a super skinny one to outline and then a thicker one to fill in. And it's not a cream, they're both pencils. And the 24-hour brow setter, it's the 24-hour brow setter gel. It's good. Again, just like the other one, it's clear and the brush is really big. So, I mean, it's easy to use if you want to use it. I don't know if you really need to use it. I would rather use the Gimme Brow, but the set itself is pretty good. So, I'm going to definitely give this a diamond. It was quick. It was easy. The pencils didn't tug on my eye. They just glided over really, really nicely. Again, it gave a lot of control as to how you want to shape it. It gives you the room to play around with it. And it's just a really good product. And to say I got it for 12 bucks, I mean, yeah. So thank you so much for watching this edition of Diamonds and Denims First Impression Friday. Don't forget to subscribe to this page, and I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.